Hello there. Cloud is everywhere. Microsoft, Azure, AWS, Oracle, Google, you name it, everyone has cloud computing. Most of enterprises are launching their computing their instances on cloud. So here I am going to explain you how you can create an instance on cloud and how you can connect to that instance right from your computer using PuTTY. Let's begin. Okay, the first step is downloading PuTTY. Go to https://putty.org. Download PuTTY will be the first option. Click here. When I was preparing this video, latest release was 0.75 and that's what I am going to install. By the time you are looking at this video, the latest release might be different. Go for the latest release because it has all the bugs of previous release fixed and there are enhancements. I am using Windows operating system, 64-bit Windows operating system, so I am going to go for that one. Click here, save file, right here, I have it here, say OK, and installation will begin. Very good. I am going to install it in program files PuTTY. I like it. Install, and here of course I have admin access, so the installation has begun. Very good, finish. Awesome. This is just a small readme if you are interested. I don't care about that, so go to PuTTY and right here you see PuTTY right there, right? Congratulations on installing PuTTY. One step done. Next, let's go to AWS console, create an instance and try accessing that instance through PuTTY. AWS console, management console. If you have not created your login on AWS console, so go ahead and create a free account. When you log in to AWS management console, this is how it is going to look. Click on services, EC2, and before you create an instance, you have to first create key pair. Click on key pair, create key pair. We are going to access our instance using PuTTY, so select the PPK option. Okay, name the key. I'm going to say AWS key pair. In my case I will put 3. The key pair has been created, so you need to save this file. You will have to download that .ppk file. Say save file over here, and I am going to save this in a directory. Let's create a folder, AWS 3, save it there. So far so good. Now it's time to create an instance. Go to instance, launch an instance. I am going to launch an Ubuntu instance. It does not matter which instance you launch. I am going to launch a Ubuntu instance. Review and launch. Over here it will ask you whether you are going to choose an existing key pair or you are going to create a new one. Because we have already created a key pair, we are going to use that one. So select choose an existing key pair and select the key pair you just created. Select that. So this one is very important and it says right here, if you lose your key pair, you will not have access to the instance. Make sure you have properly saved the key pair you just created. This is like having key to your house. If you are locked outside your house, you cannot get in unless you have key for your house, right? Same way, the key pair will be required for you to be able to access your instance. Launch instance, view the instance. Over here is pending, so wait for it to say running, and then you can connect to your instance through PuTTY using your key pair. Here you go, it says running now. So click on the instance, click on connect, and then go to SSH client. Over there on option 4 you will see connect to your instance using its public DNS. So take this public DNS, just copy that and go to PuTTY, put that DNS here, put a name. I'm going to say big data 2. Go to SSH authentication, and over here browse the key pair file which you saved on your computer. In my case, I remember saving it in AWS 3, and this is the key pair AWS pair 3. All good to go. Save this. So next time when you log in, you don't have to do all that. You just click on big data 2 or whatever name you gave here, and you can connect. Right there, I'm ready to connect. Awesome. It will ask you this accept message. If you are getting this message, that means you are good to go. Just click on accept, and in my case, because it's Ubuntu, I know the login is Ubuntu. Right there it says authenticating with public key AWS key pair 3, and here you go. Now I am in my instance. Awesome. Congratulations. Now you know what is PuTTY, how to launch AWS compute instance on EC2, and how to connect that instance using PuTTY. Very good. I will see you in next lecture.